Adding more water stations on campus. Will it work? By me, Carlos Oyuela. So first we'll talk about some background. So why is this important? Second, we'll talk about implications and why this. Third, we'll talk about the research gap. Has this topic been talked about? Fourth, we'll talk about the literature review. What does this research state? Fifth, we'll talk about the reasoning. It's needed, but why? Last but not least, we'll talk about the conclusion and where this all leaves us. Background. Common water station spots are usually only inside buildings. Students can't access all these buildings. Students' drinking habits have been impacted by the lack of accessibility. Students want more drinking stations. Adding more drinking water stations will improve the overall health of our students. Implications. Water intake can be easily overlooked, yet is one of the most important aspects of our health. This research is aimed to help students, staff, and UC Merced infrastructure. This also aims to provide better the overall campus and health of our students. Lastly, it provides continuous commitment to better the campus and manage clean water station. This study will also help create pathways for other campuses to implicate water stations. Research gap. While the health benefits of water have been researched, studies on the student body of universities have not. They have been put off in favor of alcohol drinking habits among students. While this still is important, water intake is one of the most basic and most important needs for college students. Literacy review. Studies have found that clear labels of water dispensaries in cafeterias do in fact affect the likelihood of water being preferred by students eating. This also helps students lower soda consumption. However, this did not change some students' preference for sweetened drinks. Other studies have found that students are knowledgeable about good nutrition habits, but still choose other routes on their nutrition by intaking food that is addictive and can contain harmful chemicals. Reasoning. Public health concerns. Students do not drink enough water every day. Second, healthier beverage options. Water is the ultimate hydration drink. Hydration and academic performance. The higher water intake will help overall student health. Protocol implications. Students will no longer need to search for water stations. And last but not least, model for wider adoption. More students across UC campuses will have better water access and overall student health will increase. Methodology. Interviews with freshmen that live in dorms. These interviews were held to better understand the drinking habits among new students that live in dorms. Note that larger sample pool would help results. Interviews prove that students are not drinking enough water and or have difficulty getting access to water. This decreases motives to drink water and harms the student drinking habits. Students stated that more drinking water stations will help them with their water intake. In conclusion, more water access will improve the health of students